Hey guys, Jordan here with Coldlytics, and today I'm going to show you how to find the best funeral leads using Coldlytics. So let's get started. So first, I'm going to select small businesses, and we are going to Cincinnati, Ohio. And we are choosing Ohio today because it is known for its strong funeral service industry, with many long-standing family-owned funeral homes. So great for if you're a marketer trying to target these businesses as they're not franchises and such. I'm just gonna increase the radius. We could probably leave it at 20. That's big enough. Add that. Next, industry, funeral. We're just gonna put. It'll probably just give us funeral homes. Exactly. With our Coldlytics 2.0 sanity check, we can see the businesses before they're added to our lead sheet, so you just get a sense of what you'd be getting. I'm gonna confirm that and hit next to lock it in. We are targeting owners and founders and directors and executives. Just in case the owner has a C-suite title, it'll account for that case as well. So next to lock that in. Filters, we are going for funeral homes. I want to know first review score, how they treat their clients and customers is a good insight on how they will treat you, and the review score perfectly reflects that. And we always just kind of leave review count out. So I'm going to hit next. My next filter is if I'm a marketer, I want to know their search positions. So I want between a 6 and a 15. Anything higher, they don't care about SEO. Anything lower, they already have a marketer working for them, more than likely. So 6 to 15 is perfect range. These are the businesses you want. They're going to be the most likely to buy your marketing services. And I'm going to move on to my deliver section, reset all of these. You're gonna want the Google review count, Google review score, GMB profile, GMB claimed. GMB claimed is like a free one. If they're between a 6 and a 15 on their SEO or Google Maps search position, which is like pretty true to what SEO is. They're similar metrics. And their business is not claimed on Google. It's basically just like a free sale. Like, you reach out to these people. The problem is that they're not claimed on business. They could get, or their business isn't claimed on Google, and they could be getting more business, and you're the person to set that up. Social media is important. This might be if they have like a great social media, but they great social media presence, but not a great Google ranking, then they're obviously just spending way too much money on social media and not enough on SEO. Another problem that you can present as a solution to. Revenue, headcount, and data salvage are great metrics for taking your 100 good leads into 20 great leads that you can personalize the outreach to. Ad pixels are important, just to seeing the good intent metrics, just to see if they're they even care about marketing. Technologies is good too. Again, good to filter. Good to use these to filter down your 100 good leads into 20 great leads. And then search location, search position, and search term are also great metrics to have. So next to lock that in, finish. Make sure to give it a title. Set your contacts required. I'm always save a draft just in case I launch it and I want to go back and edit anything. I'm not starting from scratch, which I'm going to launch right now. So funerals in Cincinnati, it's allocating. If once it's allocating, it means it's in a researcher's hands, and you should get your lead sheet in roughly 24 hours. So yeah, guys, that's how you find the best funeral companies using Coldlytics. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.